Hey there, my name is Gillian and welcome back to another video. Today we get to do something a bit different and really fun. I've got this subscription box here. It is a monthly subscription box for female entrepreneurs and it's called Sparkle Hustle Grow, and I have not opened it yet, but I'm really excited to get into this with you guys. This box was created by my friend Julie Ball and I am so excited to see what's inside it because I've been hearing amazing things about it from a lot of my female entrepreneur friends, and they've been just saying how much they've been enjoying it and how much fun stuff is inside, so I really can't wait to open it up and find out for myself. Julie sent me this box for free so that I could open it up and share it with you guys, but this will be my total honest opinion on the contents of the box, and this video isn't sponsored aside from the fact that I actually got the box itself for free. This subscription box is $25 a month, and you subscribe just like a normal subscription box, but you get to see what the theme of each box will be before you will get it, and you can actually choose to skip any month if you want to skip it, if, for example, the theme of the next month's box just wouldn't apply to your life very well. Okay, so I'm really excited to get into this, so I am going to open it up. Opening with my keys, of course, because I don't have a knife in this room. So this is the, whoops, this is what I see. I already dropped something. So Julie did tell me that the theme of this month's box was planning and organizing, so I'm expecting to probably find a fun planner in this box, and I already have my planner for this year, so I might be doing a little giveaway with some of these things, but I'm still really excited to see what's inside because I do love planning, and you all know that. Oh, and one other thing I should say before I actually get into the contents, there's one other really cool thing about this box, and that is that every month Julie actually teams up with an expert to offer some training that goes along with the actual physical contents of the box. Okay, so let's jump on into the contents. So the first thing I see is this card that says, yay, it's here, and then on the back it has a list of everything that is in this box. It says that this is the December 2017 box, and I'm not going to read through this whole list because I just want to jump in and see the actual contents. Okay, so then this card here says Sales Copy Mini Course. So this is the online training that I was talking about that you get in addition to those physical contents. It says, this month's online training, Sales Copy Mini Course. Make your copy sparkle. In this value-packed mini course, you will get a complete sales page formula, including some signature sections that make all the difference in creating emotionally compelling copy, like the magical unicorn and hopeless snowflake sections. It's a $79 value, and it's by Tara Bosler, who is a professional freelance writer, and I actually know Tara, so that's really cool. Okay, and then the next thing here is another card, and this one says, a brand new year is just around the corner. Get ready for a fresh start with tools designed to help you make progress in 2018. And it looks like this has a coupon code here where you can go to a website. I think it's one of the companies that sponsored the products in the box, and they're giving you a coupon code for buying stuff from their website. Okay, the next thing in the box is a bit bigger, and this is the Refresh Weekly Planner Mini by J. Lynn Designery. And it's this really cute pink weekly planner with these gold hexagonal shapes. Okay, so the cover has a really nice feel. It is a plastic cover with a paper cover inside, and so it looks like we get to do even more planner reviews than that video I made a couple weeks ago. It says, my planner is my happy place. Every day should start with donuts and dance parties. So basically each of these pages has a cute quote, and then it is lined for taking notes on the back. And then it jumps into January, and you've got a page for planning out important things for the month. And then on the next page there is a monthly calendar of January, and then there is a weekly schedule here with a day for each week, Monday through Sunday, and then there's an AM and a PM section for each day of the week. Up top here there's also a section that says, this week I'm focused on, and this week I'm grateful for. So this seems like a really nice planner. I love the size. It's a little bit smaller than most of the planners that I have seen out, especially the weekly planners. It just is a little bit shorter, which makes it a little bit more travel friendly, but it still has a lot of room inside for writing. So this looks like an awesome planner to me, and good planners normally start at around $20, so the fact that you would pay $25 for this box and the first thing in it almost pays for the box makes me feel like this box is already a good value. Okay, so now that I've taken those first things out, the rest of the box is full of this sparkly confetti, which is pretty fun. And I see here that we've got some very large paper clips that are in rose gold, black, and gold. So, and it looks like you get a fair lot of them. It says there's 60 in there, so I don't know how much that retails for. Maybe it says on the card. I'll check that at the end. But they do look like they're very good quality paper clips. Okay, the next thing I see in this box is the Perfect Planner pen, and it is a pen that says on it, plan all the things. And let me just open it up here so that we can see exactly what the pen is like, because it looks like it is a really nice pen. Okay, so here's the pen itself, and I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but it's a nice black pen with gold accent, and you click it, and it looks like a really nice pen, and I really like it. Okay, so here's the next thing in the box, and at first I thought maybe these were like headbands or something, but then once I saw what it was, I got really excited because it says 4 journal bands, and they're just like stretchy, sparkly headbands, but I'm guessing they're probably a little bit smaller than headbands because a headband would be too big for a journal. But I'm really excited about this because I often have journals that don't have a band that keeps them closed, and that actually really annoys me because then if I put them in my purse, they flop open and they kind of get wrecked. So these are really cute, and I think that they will be very helpful. Okay, so here is the next thing, and it looks like it is a pack of planner stickers. So let's just open this up. So sure enough, there are little stickers that you can stick in your planner or on your calendar, and there's one that has like goals, one that just has cute little quotes, pictures. There are little labels you can put, and there are other to-do list ones and little flags that you can put to mark things. This looks really useful. I am not someone who has ever put stickers in my planner, ever. It just seemed like kind of more hassle than it was worth, and I need the room for writing. But these stickers actually seem pretty useful, and they're really cute, and I will definitely at least try these out. Well, this is just a box that keeps on giving because I got to this and I thought that this was the bottom of the box since the box was pink and this was flat on the bottom, but no, there is still more things in here. This says Sparkle Hustle Grow Little Pink Workbook 6-Month Companion Guide. So I have no idea what this is, but let's open it up. Okay, so I think that what this is to go along with your Sparkle Hustle Grow subscription so that as you're doing the online courses that go along with the box, you actually are writing down your notes so that you can apply what you learn instead of just watching the videos and then forgetting what you learn. So I don't know if you get one of these with every box or if you just get it in your first box, but this does seem like a nice little touch to help you get a lot more out of those online trainings that are included with this box. Okay, and the last thing in the box is an actual book, and this is Ditch the Fear and Just Write It, the No Excuse Power Plan to Start Your First Book. And it's by Alexa Bigwarf, another person who I know actually. And so basically it looks like this is a workbook and guidebook to help you actually finally write your first book and stop overthinking the process or getting stuck, but it really just guides you through the entire process, including a plan for the actual writing of the book so that you can get it done. So I probably won't use this myself because I already have a system that I do use to successfully get my books written. I'll probably look it over, see if there's any tips, but then I would like to give it away to one of you guys. I'm gonna give away the planner because I did already choose a planner for myself for this year, and this looks like a great one and I'm actually really tempted, but I already decided on the system that I started using. So I'm gonna give this away, and I'm also gonna give away the Ditch the Fear and Just Write It book. So if you want to win one of these items, then you just need to do a couple things to enter. Of course, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and that you like this video, and then just leave me a comment below to let me know which of these 2 items you would like to win, because I'll give them to 2 different winners because maybe one person really wants one of them but doesn't need the other one. This giveaway will be open for 1 week from the day that this video is published. So you can continue to comment down below every single day. Just make sure that you actually tell me each time you comment which thing you want to win, and then a week later I will update the video's description to let you know exactly who won these 2 things. Okay, well that is everything for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed this. Like I said at the beginning, this is quite different from what I normally do, but I love unboxing videos and I've never gotten to do one, so I was pretty excited to film this. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up to let me know, and let me know if you want to see more unboxing videos in the future. I'm sure that there's more subscription boxes that have to do with planning and organizing and entrepreneurship and things like that, although I don't know of any other ones that are for female entrepreneurs specifically. But if you want to see more videos like that, let me know and I'll try to find more things to unbox. Also, if you haven't, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I make 2 videos every week about intentional living, entrepreneurship, and success, and I would love to have you join me for the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.